If you are new to having an NSID account, or it has been a while since you've logged in before, you're going to go to the University of Saskatchewan PAWS website, which you can easily find by Googling University of Saskatchewan PAWS. It's going to take you to this sign-in page. To re-update your password or to get a password, just click the Forgot Password button and it will take you to this screen where you can recover your password by clicking I forgot my password. Once you've obtained your password, you would log into PAWS and ensure that the password works. Once you know that your NSID and password work, you're going to follow the login to the core website. Now, because we log in through PAWS, it's going to look very similar to the PAWS login page, the difference being the CAS login under the University of Saskatchewan logo. You will then type in your NSID and password and sign in to core. Once you are into core, it will take you to your dashboard and you can access all of the features on the left-hand side of the screen. We will go into detail in other videos of how to complete student evaluations, looking at schedules, and other features noted in the document library.